Hey, how we going there? It's Aussie Kawiman again. Hey, everything's going well for you all. We're having fun up here in the sunny Queensland. Summer afternoon. Thought I'd better introduce you to the VN900 Custom, the new for 2021 orange one. Now, all they've changed is the colour as per 2020, 2019, 2018, 2017, so on and so forth. Still a good thing. V-twin, 900cc, belt drive. Really nice little bike to ride. Not up there in the power side of things, but hey, you know, it's a 900 cruiser. So hey, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I think it's here or it's over here somewhere. So wherever it is, just subscribe. Send it around, show some people, tell them how awesome it is. But hey, I've been talking to a lot of you on the phone. I've had a lot of phone calls and emails and messages on the tube, and yeah, keep them coming. I love it. I really love it. I enjoy what I do. I'm loving this. Hope everyone's doing well out there in the world today. So have a look at this VN900. Check her out. Tell me what you think. If you like, you like. If you don't, you don't. It's all good. So rock on. Check it out. It's only a short one, about 4 minutes long. Unbox it, do all that gear. But yep, don't forget to subscribe, share, like, buddy, do whatever else you like with it. So here we go. Have a look at this. Come with me. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Yeah, why not? The orange one. Other side I might as well do an unboxing. Other side I might as well do an unboxing. Don't put anything up for fucking months. I just saw one of these drop right past the door.
Really?
Yeah. Yep. It's the new 2021 VN900 Custom. Now we've just shown you the unbox. This is the Custom. It's got the 21-inch front wheel on it, and yeah, it's sick. So I've just got the new Rode wireless microphone, and it just here. So go and pluck a do. I've got one alright. So calm down. It's all good. All good. Took its time. There's Rowan, he's our service tech manager, service technician. the putter together of all the motorcycles. It's Saturday morning, so it's a bit slow cruising. You alright today? Yeah. Yeah,
she's alright.
Sick. So I won't bore you with all the details. I'll show you when it's out, which is probably 5 minutes, I reckon.
A little bit. Yeah.
Service has just rocked up.
Oh, yeah, you reckon you could
Tilt her over.
so the front wheel's in the air?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We can do that. Nuts are loosened.
Yeah, it'll just go up. I've got the spaces there and the nut.
Axle's ready to go.
Yep.
Rightio. Let's do it. There we go. I couldn't film that because it needed some muscle to pick it up. Nearly done, mate.
Oh yeah. They build themselves, I reckon.
They do. Oh, you went and had smoko and come back and it was done.
Yeah, it was done.
How good is that?
Was already on.
Wow. So wheel, fender, bars, all the controls, everything like that.
Yeah.
The back end was all done. It was all in, wasn't it?
Yeah.
So bloody good. Got the shower cap on there.
Yeah. So your hair doesn't get wet.
It has the VIN number stuck on the top. No, that's on the back usually, isn't it?
Normally, yeah.
You might leave them on the back too. It's easier to find them. So Oh, that was on there, was it?
Yeah.
Yeah, wow.
I didn't put it there.
Oh, okay, cool. Bloody gremlin was in there. So this is a 2021 Kawasaki VN900 Custom with its COVID, what do you call these, COVID masks?
Must be.
Yeah, to save the blinkers from getting the COVID. Anyway, there we go. Rock on.
Yep.
Alright, so this is the finished product, the VN900 Custom 2021 model. I don't have to yell anymore because I've got my microphone, I keep forgetting. This is the VN900 2021. Yeah, so this is it, finished product, the Custom. I'll stop yelling, I'm so used to yelling, I'm doing it again. It's got your solid back wheel with your stripe, your blacked out pipes, your blacked out motor. It's got these T-bars on it. You've got your solid style front wheel, forward controls, bit of a chopper looking front end. And as I promised you, I'll show you the 2020 and the Classic, which is this jigger here. It's 2020 Classic VN900. Straight away you'll notice the cow horn style handlebars, bit fatter front end. What do they call them? Spoke wheels.
Multi-spoke wheel.
Spoke wheels, fatter front wheel, spoke rear, chrome. So yeah, she's all there. So yeah, that's the 2021 Classic, 2021 Custom. Two beautiful bikes. Righto, let's start this jigger up. What do we got? Where the keys goes on these bloody things? Here we go. Down in here. This one's ready to go, isn't it? VN900 demo.
That's a demo too, yeah, the orange one.
Is it? No, it's not. Oh, let's start this one up then. Just keep rolling, mate. We don't fucking do anything. Oh, look at that. Let's fire up. I'll put the mic down here. We can do the starting. Have a listen. How's that, eh? Don't work with kids and bikes. Have a listen to that, beautiful. Listen to that intake noise. There you go, it's a VN900. You've heard it, you've seen it, you've heard it. You've seen it, you've heard it, and you're still asking questions. When do we go for a ride? There you go, that's it. Cool. Hey, thanks for watching, appreciate it. Rock on, stay tuned, click like, subscribe, tell your mates, tell everyone. It's Aussie Kawiman with a couple of new models and we've got plenty more to come, so keep watching, thank you, I'm out. Well, what do you reckon about that, eh? Bloody VN900, not a bad rig. We've also got I've got the 2021 in the Classic here somewhere over there. I'll do a quick vid of that as well. It's just the Classic, grey and white I think it is. Not a bad jigger, so check that out. Don't forget to subscribe, like, tell your mates if you got any, and you know, go for a ride. But just keep on riding those bikes, having some fun, and keep watching the channel. Appreciate all your support. We'll get some more stuff up really soon, and yeah, have fun. Thanks for watching. Nah, I won't do that. Just fucking out. I'm out. I'm gone. Okay, I'm gone. Oh wow, VN900. How good is the cut? Oh yeah, how's that? Oh, the VN900, how good is that? Hope you like the unboxing of that VN900. It was really good. No, we'll have it. Wow, did you see that? VN900 awesome! Oh, did you see the VN900? How good was that? What a superb bike. The unboxing was awesome. Oh, check it out. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See that light come in there? Oh. Anyway, don't worry about it. VN900, love it, like it. Well, after watching that video, I'm going to get a haircut and and go home. But hey, appreciate it. I just thought I'd put those in there for something to do. Not every time you do your first take that it goes 100% awesome as you people are used to. Sometimes we do stuff it up and make an idiot of ourselves. But you know, not the first time I've done that. So enjoy. Thanks for watching again. Appreciate it all. Click, subscribe, like. Have a good life. Till next time, Aussie Kawiman. I'm out here. Looks like I'm half asleep too. Jeez, I'm not. Yeah, probably am a little bit, but it's all good. See yous.